In this video, we are sharing 10 summer outfit ideas. For first outfit, you can try white, grey and green striped shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try sky blue polo t-shirt with light blue faded jeans and black sneakers. Next, you can try red printed shirt with black jeans and black boots. Next, you can try purple oversized t-shirt with beige pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try turquoise blue printed shirt with maroon pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try tan polo t-shirt with white pants and tan loafers. Next, you can try yellow printed shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try olive green polo t-shirt with black pants and black boots. Next, you can try cream half sleeve shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next, you can try white shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Watch this video to know top 35 outfits of April month.